Action cameras for fishing adventures. Title: Action cameras for fishing adventures. Capture the thrill of the catch. Introduction: 150 words. Fishing is more than just a hobby. For many, it's a way of life. Not only do action cameras provide stunning video and photo quality, but they are also rugged and waterproof, making them the perfect companion for any fishing expedition. Section 1. Why choose action cameras for fishing? 300 words. Fishing is an activity filled with excitement and unpredictability. Here are some compelling reasons why action cameras are perfect for fishing. 1. Durability. Action cameras are designed to withstand harsh environments, making them ideal for fishing expeditions. They are built to survive accidental drops, bumps, and even water submersion, ensuring that you never miss a moment, no matter the conditions. 2. Wide-angle perspective. Action cameras offer wide-angle lenses that capture a broader field of view, allowing you to capture the entire fishing scene without missing any details. This is particularly useful when fishing in beautiful locations, as it helps document the stunning surroundings. 3. Hands-free operation. Many action cameras can be mounted on various accessories such as chest harnesses, head straps, or even fishing rod holders. This hands-free operation frees up your hands to concentrate on handling the rod and reel, while still capturing every exciting moment of the catch. 4. High-quality footage. Action cameras are known for their ability to deliver high-quality video and photo content. With features like image stabilization and high-resolution options, action cameras ensure that you capture your fishing adventures in crisp detail, showcasing every subtle movement and vibrant color. Here are some key factors to consider when choosing an action camera. 1. Water resistance. Since fishing involves exposure to water, it's crucial to select an action camera that is fully waterproof. Look for cameras that have high IP ratings, indicating their ability to withstand water depths, and consider the necessity for additional waterproof housing. 2. Image and video quality. The resolution and frame rate of an action camera heavily influence the quality of your footage. Opt for at least 1080p Full HD resolution, with higher-end models offering 4K options for unmatched detail. Additionally, higher frame rates, e.g. 60 fps, allow for smooth slow-motion playback. 3. Battery life. Fishing trips can last for several hours, so an action camera with a long battery life is essential. Consider cameras with removable batteries or the option to connect an external power source to ensure uninterrupted filming throughout the day. 4. Mounting options. Look for action cameras that offer a variety of mounting options suitable for fishing scenarios. Chest harnesses, head straps, and fishing rod holders are useful accessories for capturing unique angles while keeping your hands free and your camera secure. With an advanced image stabilization system and a front display for easy framing, it's a popular choice among fishing enthusiasts. 2. DJI Osmo Action. Designed to rival GoPro, the DJI Osmo Action combines excellent image stabilization with dual screens, making it easy to capture versatile shots. Waterproof up to 11 meters, it offers 4K video recording at 60 fps, ensuring crystal clear footage even in challenging conditions. With voice control, high-quality 4K video, and a variety of mounting options, this action camera excels in the fishing environment. Section 4. Tips for maximizing your action camera's potential, 250 words. Now that you have your action camera, here are some tips to help you make the most of it during your fishing adventures. 1. Experiment with angles. Try different mounting positions to capture unique perspectives. Mount the camera on your chest, head, or fishing rod to showcase the thrilling action from various viewpoints. 2. Utilize slow motion. Take advantage of your camera's high frame rate options to capture slow-motion sequences during exciting moments. Slow-motion footage adds drama and intensity to scenes such as fish strikes and epic battles. 3. Back up your footage. Invest in ample storage and back up your captured footage regularly. Fishing expeditions can be unpredictable, and losing your recorded memories would be a disappointment. 4. Edit and share. Take advantage of editing software to refine your videos and add effects or music. Share your fishing adventures with friends and fishing communities online to inspire others and grow your angling network. Here are some recommendations. 1. Underwater housing. While most action cameras are waterproof, investing in an underwater housing can expand your filming possibilities. It allows you to capture underwater shots, revealing the fascinating underwater world beneath the surface. 2. External microphone. Improve the audio quality of your fishing videos by using an external microphone. This will help capture the sounds of nature, the excitement of reeling in a catch, and any conversations or commentary you want to include. 3. Time-lapse photography. Experiment with time-lapse photography to create mesmerizing footage of sunrise or sunset over the water, the changing currents, or the transformation of the landscape. This technique brings a unique artistic element to your fishing videos. 4. Utilize mobile apps. Many action camera brands offer companion mobile apps that allow you to control and preview your footage from your smartphone. Take advantage of these apps to easily adjust settings, frame your shots, and share your content on the go. By incorporating these accessories and techniques, you can elevate your fishing videos and create captivating content that truly showcases the thrill and beauty of your fishing adventures. Action cameras for fishing adventures have revolutionized the way we capture our experiences on the water. These rugged and waterproof devices are perfect for anglers of all levels who want to document their fishing journeys and showcase their skills. In this article, we will explore the features, benefits, and recommended action cameras for fishing, helping you make an informed decision when choosing your ideal fishing sidekick. Fishing is more than just a hobby, it's a way of life. Action cameras allow you to capture the thrill of the catch in a way that static photographs and conventional videos can't. With action cameras, you can experience your fishing adventure from a first-person perspective, immersing yourself in the excitement and unpredictability of the sport. Action cameras are designed to withstand the harsh environments encountered during fishing expeditions. They are built to survive accidental drops, bumps, and even water submersion, ensuring that you never miss a moment, no matter the conditions. One of the key advantages of action cameras for fishing is their wide-angle perspective. These cameras offer wide-angle lenses that capture a broader field of view, allowing you to capture the entire fishing scene without missing any details. Whether you're fishing in a stunning location or battling a trophy fish, the wide-angle lens helps document the beauty and excitement of the moment. Hands-free operation is another reason why anglers choose action cameras. Many models can be mounted on various accessories such as chest harnesses, head straps, or fishing rod holders. This hands-free operation frees up your hands to concentrate on handling the rod and reel, while still capturing every exciting moment of the catch. Action cameras are known for their high-quality footage. With features like image stabilization and high-resolution options, these cameras ensure that you capture your fishing adventures in crisp detail, showcasing every subtle movement and vibrant color. The ability to shoot in 4K resolution or higher provides unmatched clarity, allowing you to relive the excitement of your fishing adventures. When choosing an action camera for fishing, there are several features to consider. Firstly, water resistance is crucial since fishing involves exposure to water. Look for cameras that have high IP ratings, indicating their ability to withstand water depths. Additionally, consider the necessity for additional waterproof housing. Image and video quality are key factors to consider when choosing an action camera. Opt for at least 1080p Full HD resolution, with higher-end models offering 4K options for unmatched detail. Higher frame rates, such as 60 FPS, allow for smooth slow-motion playback, adding drama and intensity to your fishing footage. Battery life is another essential consideration. Fishing trips can last for several hours, so an action camera with a long battery life or the option to connect an external power source is essential. You don't want to miss out on capturing those exciting moments due to a drained battery. Mounting options are also critical when choosing an action camera for fishing. Look for cameras that offer a variety of mounting options suitable for fishing scenarios. Chest harnesses, head straps, and fishing rod holders are useful accessories for capturing unique angles while keeping your hands free and your camera secure. When it comes to recommended action cameras for fishing, 3 brands stand out: GoPro, DJI, and Garmin. The GoPro HERO9 Black is renowned for its exceptional video quality, durability, and advanced image stabilization system. It features a rugged, waterproof design and offers 5K video resolution at 30 fps, making it a popular choice among fishing enthusiasts. The DJI Osmo Action is designed to